What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Chubbz Currency, and today we're going to be talking about debt reduction. The first method I'm going to be talking about in this video today is the Snowball method. Now, I personally prefer the Snowball method over all the other methods because I feel personally that when you're eliminating your debt using the Snowball method, you get a positive mentality because you can see your debt actually going somewhere in a positive direction. Now, the Snowball method is a method that focuses on the balances. It mainly focuses on the paying off the lower balances first, and then you move on to the highest balance. Now, today I'm going to be using some debt balances that I acquired from some friends, and we're going to see how the Snowball method affects it. Now, for simplicity purposes, we're going to assume that all of these balances have a 0% APR. The first balance we're going to be focusing on is the Barclay account. The Barclay account has a balance of $600. I'm going to use a different marker so you guys can see it better. It has a balance of $657. Now, the monthly payment to the Barclay card is $27. The next account that we're going to be focusing on is the Amazon account. The Amazon account has a total balance of $1,073, and it has a monthly payment of $73. The last balance we're going to focus on today is the USAA account. Now, this account has a total balance of $1,521 with a monthly payment of $30. Now, I created a little steps for you guys that you can follow, or you can do, whatever steps you want to. But step one is to accumulate, put all your debts together. Now, today we're just going to focus on 3, so I have all my debts together. The next step is to put them in order from lowest to highest, which I've done for you guys already. The next step is to come up with about $50 extra every month to help you add on to these debts. Now, if you can't come up with $50 extra, you can come up with more or less. That's okay. You can come up with whatever you want. If you cannot come up with any extra amount of money, that's fine too. It's just going to take you a little longer to pay off these debts than you might like. Now, we've come up with $50, so we're going to add $50 to our first payment of the Barclay. So we do the $27 plus our additional $50, and we will pay a total of $77 per month. Now you see that's a big difference in the minimum. So with paying $77 a month, we should be able to pay off the Barclay card in 9 months. Given that this is a rounded amount, it falls a little short of 9, about 8.5, but let's just say 9. And so after 9 months, we will have the entire debt eliminated. Within that 9 months, we're still paying the minimum balance of the Amazon and the USAA. So altogether, we will pay $180. That includes the $50 we added. So altogether, we would pay $180. Now that we paid the $77, with that, still $180. No longer have this debt anymore. So what we do is we add the $77 to our next balance, the Amazon balance. We add the $77 to the $73, and we come up with $150. So now that this no longer exists, Let me put a slash through it so you can see. We no longer pay that amount. It's already paid off. It's been 9 months. We paid it off. Same time it takes to make a baby. Now, it's gone. We paid $150. We're still paying the $30. So we still have a grand total of $180. It has not changed. All we did was take this amount, added it to this amount, and we still paid this amount. Still $180. Now, the new balance of this after the 9 months it took us to pay off the first card would be $416. So we are paying $150 every month to pay off a balance of $416. Shouldn't take us that long. It actually takes us 3 months. Also a rounded figure. It's about 2 and some change. So by adding the 77 to the 73, we pay off our Amazon card in an additional 3 months. Now, we no longer have the Amazon. Amazon is gone. It's been 12 months, 1 year, we paid off 2 debts. It's not bad. So now what are we going to do? We're not going to slow down now. We're going to add the 150 to the 30. And that comes up with, you know it, $180. Still paying the same amount we've been paying all year. But now we're focusing on this debt. Now, after 12 months, our 1,521 balance no longer exists. Our new balance is 1,161. So we are paying $180 on our new balance of 1,161, and we paid that off in 7 months. Not bad at all. It took us a year and 7 months to pay off all 3 of these cards. Now I can tell you, I can guarantee you this, if you were just paying the minimum, it would take you a lot longer than a year and 7 months. Now I will do the math for you and I will leave it down below. Now using the Snowball method, we're able to cut that down by how many months, how many years? A lot. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm Chubbz Currency. Please click like, subscribe, comment down below. If you don't like this video, please subscribe, comment down below, and tell me how I can make it better for you. If you know this information, that's okay. Do me a favor, share it to a person that you know needs this information. Everybody can use a little help sometimes. Have a good day.